Hi there, today I'm going to show you the differences between PhD and MPhil. So MPhil means Master of Philosophy. It is an abbreviation which means Master of Philosophy, and PhD means Doctor of Philosophy. Both the degrees are the research based postgraduate programs. Both are the postgraduate program which are offered after the graduation and maybe master, and both required research. MPhil is a research master degree. It is a master degree which has research. It is not like the taught master program like MA, MSc or MS. It is a research master degree, while PhD is a doctorate degree program, which is the highest degree program. MPhil is considered as a prerequisite of PhD. Although it is not compulsory for PhD, in the PhD eligibility it is not compulsory to complete MPhil before PhD, but sometimes if students are not eligible for direct PhD program, then they may enroll in MPhil, and then they may convert MPhil program into PhD after some time studying in MPhil program. Students have to submit research paper work in both the cases, in the MPhil and in PhD, but the research paper work is much more in PhD as compared to MPhil degree program. The duration of MPhil degree program is of 2 years, while the PhD is of 3 years, and it may be more than 3 years in the case of the part-time student. A PhD has a high age over an MPhil program because it is a higher degree program, the highest degree program in the university level, and many students decide to go into PhD after completion of their MPhil. A student who completes a PhD degree known as a doctor, but this is not in the case of MPhil. If a student completes MPhil, then there will be no the person will be not known as a doctor. So these were the some differences about the MPhil and PhD. If you have any question about this, you may ask in the description box, in the comment box, sorry. And for more videos, for more differences like this, you can subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.